The 9K-720 Iskander is a mobile short-range ballistic missile system produced and deployed by the Russian Federation. The missile systems are to replace the obsolete OTR-21 Tochka systems, still in use by the Russian armed forces, by 2020. The Iskander has several different conventional warheads, including a cluster munitions warhead, a fuel-air explosive enhanced blast warhead, a high-explosive fragmentation warhead, an earth penetrator for bunker busting, and an electromagnetic pulse device for anti-radar missions. The missile can also carry nuclear warheads. In September 2017, the KB Mashinostroyenia general designer Valery M. Kashin said that there were at least 7 types of missiles for Iskander, including one cruise missile. The road-mobile Iskander was the second attempt by Russia to replace the Scud missile. The first attempt, the OTR-23 Oka, was eliminated under the INF Treaty. The design work on Iskander was begun in December 1988, initially directed by the KBM rocket weaponry designer Sergei Nepobedamy, and was not significantly affected by the dissolution of the USSR in 1991. The first successful launch occurred in 1996. In September 2004, at a meeting with senior defense officials reporting to President Vladimir Putin on the drafting of a defense budget for 2005, the Russian Defense Minister Sergei Ivanov spoke about the completion of static tests of a new tactical missile system called the Iskander. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.